What happened recently on Minecraft?
Now I've got to replace the temperature sensor on this fryer. Oh, Winston didn't make it straightforward. Here's the temperature sensor. You can see where it goes through the wall, or whatever you call it. It goes to the side of the vat, and it's right here next to the element. This is the other side. Now it's threaded into a little insert that's welded into the side of the vat. Now let's have a look at the new sensor. The new sensor's nothing like the old one. Oh no, we bought the wrong one. What are we gonna do? Changing these doesn't have to be so complicated. I'm gonna show you the easy way, even when you bought the wrong one. Start by undoing this little nut. So the temperature sensor is going through there. It's got this little cone ferrule stuck on it, so you can't take it out from the inside of the fryer. And see it moving there. That's the sensor. Alright. And that being there, turned like that, is the reason I can't get it out. So I've snapped it off. You can see there. And I'm just going to make a half-hearted attempt at flattening this out. Or unflattening it, I guess. Rounding it off. You know what I'm saying? It ain't got to actually get round. I'm just trying to get it somewhere close. Okay? And you see that, right? Now I just grab a hold of it on this end with a pair of pliers and force it out. That's it. So there's the old sensor out. We'll just unplug the little connector and that's it. And we'll put in the new one. We want to take the sensor out of this little adapter thing, but it's got that little white plug on the end, so we have to remove that. The way I remove these without the fancy little tool is I get a little tiny screwdriver like this. I'm looking to see where the little tab is that's sticking out, and I go right next to it and just go like that. There's two on each pin. Once you get them flattened out, it'll come right apart. And you can see that's the little tab. So you got to reach in there once you're done and pry that back out. See? When those are bent back out, then the plug can go back together. So now we've got our sensor and its little wires, just the sensor part. So then we're going to feed them through one at a time through this little hole. Sensor through just like that. There's the sensor sticking out. So now we grab our little adapter and we get this brand new little ferrule off of it and we feed it down the wires. And then we put the nut on. Point our sensor down like it needs to be. Twisting it. Okay. Let's point it down. Now you tighten the shit out of that nut. There you go. That's how you change the temperature sensor on a Winston electromatic deep fryer. You know, the ones at KFC.